The all-year window seal provides better thermal insulation and reduces outside noise for your PortaSplit. To install it, you need the following things: the hook and loop strips, the all-year window seal, the window lock mechanism, the small soft foam, the refrigerant hose cover. Also have a ruler, a pen, and scissors ready. First, open the window and measure the 3 sides of the internal window frame. The window seal is in one piece and needs to be cut to size to fit your window. Add the measured length of the 3 sides of the window frame to get the needed length. Cut the window seal with scissors. Now, measuring from the side with the soft foam, make a small mark at 4.5 centimeters on both edges. To get the correct form for your window, draw a line in the measured length from the top edge of the window seal to the 4.5 centimeter mark at the side. Cut along the line with scissors. Repeat for the other side. Apply one side of the hook and loop strip to the top edge of the window seal. Make sure it adheres properly. To be able to attach the seal to the window, cut the opposing hook and loop strip to lengths A, B, and C. Apply the 3 parts to the internal window frame. Avoid overlapping of the strips. For PortaSplit setups requiring a bracket, the bracket should be installed before placing the winter seal on the hook and loop strip. Please consult the device user manual. To attach the window lock, first make sure that the window frame is free of dust and dirt. Then, place the frame mount on the window frame, next to the handle. Then apply the handle mount as shown. Make sure the small opening points to the top. Attach the seal to the window frame with the hook and loop strips. Place the outdoor unit in the desired position and mark the part of the seal where the hose meets the seal. To close any possible gaps, cut 2 slits in a distance of 5.5 centimeters. Do not cut deeper than 3 centimeters. Cutting the bottom section of the seal is not recommended. You can now lead the hose through the gap. To further improve sealing, attach the small soft foam part to the outward-facing side of the window frame so that it closes the gap. Check for gaps visually or by running your fingers along the join. Close the window tightly and close the window lock mechanism. The self-adhesive refrigerant hose cover prevents condensate dripping onto the floor when PortaSplit is used with very low outside temperatures. Apply individual pieces without gaps on the refrigerant hose.